Oh, it's melting. It is bad.
Yum.
Actually,
I love it.
Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to make popsicles. It'll be very interesting to me and the flavor will be interesting too. Can't wait to try it out. Let's start. This is our popsicle. How we take this one out of the mold?
How?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow, it really looks like cat paw. It looks super cute. It looks super cute. Look, the cat paws, bubble tea, and Oreo cookie. Super adorable. This one with the Oreo cookies, and this one with chestnut. This one looks super funny, bubble tea. Which one you want to try first?
I want to try this one.
Okay.
Destroy. Destroy.
Oh,
destroy.
it's melting. It's melting.
Destroy.
Okay, you try that one. Do you like it?
This is what a garlic would taste like.
What is that? Oh!
I don't like it. There's no flavor to it at all. It just tastes like chewy, round things.
I don't like it. I don't like the tapioca.
No, the tapioca freezes it.
Yeah, when the tapioca freezes, it tastes super bad.
It's like eating.
This actually pretty good. You taste it. This tastes good. This is the original flavor bubble tea. It tastes not bad, right?
It tastes like frozen bubble tea.
Yes, it tastes like frozen bubble tea. I think for the green tea bubble tea, we just throw away the bubbles. No, tapioca. Okay, let me try.
Am I the only one that sees it? Destroy. Destroy.
Yes, which is the
Do you know what this is?
No.
This is a garlic.
Who is that?
Doctor Who. Doctor Who.
Wow. So this one got the yogurt and the Oreo cookie. This one tastes not bad, but the yogurt, we choose the super sour.
It was cultured milk.
I think this one tastes not bad. You try this.
Okay. So.
Oh, that scared me. Okay, so this is the next one. And this one is the chestnut.
So you're freezing chestnuts?
It is bad.
Okay, so here's the thing, sweetie. I'm concerned about your teeth. You're freezing bubble tea to make it into little pellets. And you're freezing chestnuts to make them into hard frozen chunks of rock. And you're gonna chew it.
It's not rock, it's still soft.
Okay.
Tastes not good. Come here, please. You will love it. You
That
will...
is a very big promise. Are you sure?
Yes. This one is not sour and it's flavorful. Don't eat the chestnut. I forgot.
Yum.
Actually,
I love it.
This one is actually sweet.
I know what you put in it. You scrape the inside out of Oreos and mish them up next. I got Oreo cream flavor. I bit into that one. A big chunk of
Oh, I know what flavor is this one. This one is milk. And this one's sweet because I put the sugar. I put sugar in.
I think you put some Oreo cream in there.
I put a little bit. This one is the milk.
Come eat your Blue's Clues.
Hmm?
Come eat the Blue's Clues. They're gonna melt.
What's this? Blue Clues. But it's cat paws. It's not.
Blue's Clues.
Why is Blue Clues?
Because Blue's Clues have paws.
Paws. This one is bubble tea flavor. Not bad, right?
Maybe it's dripping.
I think I don't really like the popsicles. Even the ones taste good, I prefer ice cream than popsicles because when I choose the ice, my teeth feels not good. My teeth feels weird when I choose a popsicle. It's like the sound when the teeth touch the ice. I don't like the sound. Are you full?
Super full.
You ate half of it. I will finish this. Oh, so sour. I'll finish the pot. I don't like that drink because I use the yogurt. That yogurt, it tastes super extremely sour. It's like as sour as lemon.
Cultured, low-fat, milk smoothie yogurt. The champagnes of
This one
cultured
is
milk.
super sour. What are you doing? I think that's all for today. And I will make dinner next. I will make new dinner next. This week I will make at least 5 dinners. I already prepared. 5 dinners. I need to make them before the food comes bad. So I will make you 5 dinners and I will publish this video soon. Bye. Bye bye. Do you want to say bye bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye. You like my hair look like this?
It looks better than it did a second ago. Get rid of the thing on the top.
You don't like this?
Okay, with that thing on the top, your hair looks like a mop. Do you know what a mop is?
Mop?
Mop. Do you know what a mop is?
Mop is when you mop the floor.
Yes, and you know what they look like? They look
You
like,
think my hair?
Sweetie, they look like this. It's a long stick, and then there's a thing on the top. That is what a mop looks like.
This is the mop looks like, so look like mop, but I don't have a stick. Yeah.